Hi, I'm gonna teach you how to make the easiest and yummiest curry ever. Let's go, shagi. Here are the ingredients you need. 1 chopped onion, 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 cup of vegetables or meat, your choice, 1 cup of coconut milk or water, 1 tablespoon of oil, and a little salt, just the way you like it. Now you're ready to make super yummy curry. Let's make the easiest curry ever. First, put a little oil in a pan and heat it up. Add chopped onion and garlic, stir until soft. Now sprinkle curry powder and mix it for 1 minute. Add your favorite vegetables or meat. Cook for 5 minutes. Pour in coconut milk or water and let it boil. Turn the heat down and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a tiny pinch of salt. All done. Enjoy with rice or bread.